Which message what are you doing?
It makes it a lot easier to hear you.
Ask her if she will.
No, I'm just gonna reject. Yeah,
And she can
rejecting last time.
Yeah, trying to debate.
Yeah.
I
don't
mean,
know.
the judges.
You're gonna have to like reread it for the video.
Jadon's gonna be like internet grandpa.
Why is it echoing?
I'm sorry. Better?
It's so powerful. Now I feel less powerful.
You're loud, I think, without.
Oh yeah, but
it
it
has to
picks it up.
get caught up.
Oh, for it.
Just like scream.
Alright, test it.
Test.
Okay.
Test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Is it going alright?
Is it recording, Abby?
Yeah.
Oh,
I just pressed it in case.
okay.
Oh, wait. This.
We are ready?
We're all judging you.
Are we ready? Okay.
Hear that? That's nothing. Which is what I, as a speaker in today's class, have for you all. I have nothing. Nada. Zip. Zilch. Zippo. Zero. Nothing smart. Nothing inspirational. Nothing even remotely researched at all. I have absolutely nothing to say whatsoever. And yet, through my manner of speaking, I will make it seem like I do. And like what I'm saying is brilliant. And maybe, just maybe, you will feel like you learned something. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the opening. I'm going to make a lot of hand gestures. I'm going to do this with my right hand. I'm going to do this with my left. I'm going to adjust my glasses, and I'm going to ask you all a question. By show of hands, who here's been asked a question before? Okay, great. I'm seeing some hands. And again, I have nothing here. Now, I'm going to react to that. I'm going to act like I'm sharing with you some kind of personal anecdote. Something to break the tension, something to endear myself a little bit, something embarrassing. And you guys are going to make an all sound.
Aww.
That's true. It really happened. And now I'm going to bring it to a broader point. I'm going to reel you back in. I'm going to make it intellectual. I'm going to bring it to this man right here. Now, what this man did was important, I'm sure, but I, for one, have no idea who he is. Simply Google image the word
Oops.
back. Scientist. Now, I'd like to make it seem like I'm making points, building an argument, really inspiring you to change your life, when in reality, this is just me buying time. Now, if you don't believe me, let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers. Number of IEs that I'm giving today is going to be 1. Interesting facts imparted thus far. Instead IE, well, that's going to be a 0. My height in inches is 68.5, note the 0.5 there. 352 is a, oh, it left it out. 2 times 6 equals 12. Interestingly enough, 6 times 2 also equals 12. 352 is a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then almost immediately following that, we get 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, to add more filler here, I'm going to give you a couple more numbers to consider. 18, 237, 5,601, 2.6 million, 4, 24. Staggering. These are real numbers, all of them. Now to follow that, we're going to take a look at some graphs. Now if you take a look at this pie chart behind me, what you're going to see is that the majority far exceeds the minority. Does everybody see that? It's cool, isn't it? Now we're going to take a look at this pie chart, we're going to take a look at this bar graph because it shows some similarly irrelevant data. Now I'm doing this because I'd like to make it seem as if I've done my homework, when in reality, I have nothing. I'm a total and utter phony. I'm floundering, I'm panicking. But you know what? I was offered an IE, and dang it, I'm going to see it through. Now, if you take a look behind me, these are just words paired with vaguely thought-provoking stock photos. I'm going to point at them as if I'm making use of both my time as well as your time, when in reality, I don't know what half of them mean. Now, as these continue, I'm just going to start saying gibberish. Waka wah, gabba gabba, turkey, mouth in a mouth, Chip, trip, my dog Skip. Rip it and dip it, Richard. I'm an itty bitty baby bopper, and I'm hungry in my tum-tum. Words, names, words, and more things. And see, it feels like it all might make sense, doesn't it? Like maybe, just maybe, I'm building to some sort of satisfying conclusion. I mean, I'm gesticulating as though I am. I'm pacing, I'm growing in intensity, I've taken my glasses off, which, by the way, aren't real. I just wore them to look smart, even though my vision is perfect. And now I'm gonna slow things down a bit. Really change the tone. I'm gonna make it feel like I'm building to a moment. And what if I was? Amazing, isn't it? What can you do? Life's a roller coaster. If there's one thing you took away from my IE, I'd like you to think about what you heard at the beginning. And I'd like you to think about what you hear now. Because it was nothing, and it still is nothing. Think about that. Or don't, that's fine. I'm going to stop talking now.
What's your IE?